Forget ice packs and dead car batteries. This tiny cooler promises to keep your food frozen while simultaneously powering your entire campsite. And honestly, that sounds like a game changer for road trips. We're looking at the Setpower FC15, and what makes this package truly compelling is the inclusion of the PG216WH power bank right out of the box. The FC15 itself is a compact powerhouse. At 15 liters, or about 15.8 quarts, it's small enough to fit almost anywhere. Think behind the seat of a truck or tucked into a small SUV. It holds about 20 cans of soda, which Setpower suggests is enough food capacity for a 4 to 5 day trip if you're packing efficiently. But size isn't the story here, performance is. Equipped with a strong variable frequency compressor, this unit is seriously fast. It can drop the temperature from a warm 77 degrees down to a crisp 32 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes. If you need deep freeze capability, it hits its lowest temperature of -4 degrees in about an hour. That's true freezer performance, eliminating the need for messy ice forever. Now let's talk about the power bank, the PG216WH. This 216 watt-hour, 15,000 mAh unit is the secret sauce, offering excellent value by providing dedicated portable power. Since the fridge only averages about 55 watts of consumption, this power bank gives you significant run time, ensuring your vehicle battery stays protected. Speaking of protection, the FC15 includes a 3-level voltage battery protection system, high, medium, and low, so you never have to worry about running down your car battery overnight. In terms of usability, it's built for the road. It maintains excellent performance even when tilted up to 40 degrees, meaning bumpy trails and steep inclines won't interrupt your cooling cycle. And thankfully, it's quiet. The noise level stays below 42 decibels, which is barely a whisper, perfect for sleeping near in a tent or RV. Setpower backs this up with solid support, 3 years on the compressor and 1 year on the other components, which shows confidence in their build quality. If you're looking for a compact, fast freezing, and incredibly efficient portable fridge that comes bundled with its own dedicated power source, the Setpower FC15 package is an outstanding, high-value choice for any serious outdoor enthusiast.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.